Bluetooth solution for Mercedes Benz W220. Looking to stream music in your Mercedes Benz S-Class W220? Integrated Bluetooth in the early 2000s was only for hands-free phone calls. The original Mercedes-Benz Command did not support music streaming. The original Mercedes infotainment, aka MOST, is a fiber optic system. It is extremely difficult and expensive to replace. The original Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth puck is outdated and no longer available. The Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter offers a simple plug-and-play solution for your older Mercedes-Benz. It provides seamless Bluetooth audio streaming, allowing you to wirelessly play Apple Music, podcasts, and Spotify content from your smartphone directly through your original Mercedes-Benz Command system. Enjoy CD-quality music without hissing or static, unlike the junk from Amazon. Plus, you can talk hands-free, making your classic car feel like a brand-new car. Simple plug and play, and you'll be cruising in your modern-day classic like the VIP you are.
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
Do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here, and that's the music. Exactly, yeah. And here is, you can next previous song, bass, mod, and you can also adjust the volume. It's actually perfect device, worth every penny I spend on it. And the gentleman who sell this, he's a very honest guy. I dealt with him twice, and he helped me a lot to choose the right product, because the Mercedes-Benz has a special kind of optic cables between the stereo and the speakers. Yeah, so he helped me to choose the right product. So I would recommend it strongly. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.